G'day guys, I'm Jason. Welcome to Streetcar Culture's What's in the Barn. Let me take you back to 1971. McDonald's Big Macs are a new thing, 49 cents. Your dad's asleep in his armchair from working 14 hours with no OH&S. You grab his keys and you want to go for a drive. What car do you take? Let's check it out. Alright guys, I'm here with Steve and his beautiful 71 Prem. Welcome Steve.
Thanks Jason.
Thanks for bringing the ride down, I appreciate it. It's bloody gorgeous mate. Tell me a bit about it, how you came to get it, sort of the bit of the mods that you've done.
Well Jason, it's a 1971 HG Prem.
Yep.
I've had it for about 6 years now.
Yep.
It's taken me 4 years to do a full nut and bolt restoration.
It's gorgeous, mate.
So everything has been redone and everything's been re-chromed, zinced,
yep.
motor.
Yep. So you mentioned that you sort of did all the trim work.
Yeah, did all the stainless steel polishing myself.
Yep.
Had Dave Grimer do the body work on it.
Yep.
Which he done a fantastic job.
Oh mate, it's bloody straight, it's gapped beautifully.
And yeah, it's come up a treat. So 4 years it's taken me. It's been on the road for about 2 years now,
yep.
so
yep.
Doesn't get out and about much. But
yep. Well, we chose a good day for it.
Yeah.
You told me that you only bring it out on sunny days, so.
That's right. Yeah.
So some of the factory options.
Okay, so this is a factory 308, which I've stroked to a 355.
Yep.
But I've tried to keep the motor looking all original.
Yep.
And it's got factory T-bar automatic, cloth trim, electric windows, power steering, air conditioning, and 10-bolt Salisbury. So it's kind of a
pretty spec'd up car.
Yeah, pretty kind of a rare car. So.
Yeah. You know what? When you first pulled up, I heard it lumping away, and I thought that's not a stock. And then I saw the colour, and I fell in love. It's a gorgeous colour, mate. Yeah. Gorgeous colour, especially when they're redone. So yeah, you're talking to me about sort of, you've got your original hubcaps and you've done little things like the badge on the steering wheel to match the hubcap.
Yeah, so there's little things that I've done. So essentially it's all original, but I've just changed the steering wheel and I've done my own badge there. It's just just a personal touch. Yeah, that's a personal touch. And I've just done little things to improve the drive. I put LED headlights in it. Yep. I've put a retro sound stereo so it all looks original. Yep. But
the original fascia.
Yeah, it's got original fascia.
Original fascia with like a Bluetooth backing.
Yeah. So it all looks original, but at least gives me a bit of sound, Bluetooth and so forth.
Yep.
Yeah, and I changed the pump for a modern sanding pump. Yep. So the air conditioning is pretty cold, so it does work well. Yep. So on those hot days.
On those warm days, nothing better than a bit of aircon.
Yeah, no, definitely, yes. And I've been caught out there. That's definitely, yeah, in the heat, no doubt. Yeah.
No, so, it's a beautiful car, mate. And again, I appreciate you bringing it down.
Yeah.
I'm hanging to go for a cruise in it.
Yeah, terrific.
And I'm sure you're hanging to take me for a cruise.
Looking forward to it.
So yeah, let's set up the cameras and we'll be back shortly.